everyone, this is Valli and welcome back to Mugda Arts and Studios. So in this session I'm going to show you beautiful Gadwal Pattu sarees with bright and different color combinations. So with red we have got so many different colored borders. So single red tone manaki chala different borders vachayi, and also in mannequin we have got beautiful colors. Let's have a look at those sarees. Here comes the first piece in mannequin with darker shade of bottle green and mango yellow on borders. So I've said previously, like we have got different colored borders with green, with red, and chala darker shades unnayandi. Let's have a look at the saree body. So we have got beautiful golden zari stripes. So throughout the saree we have got zari checks and filling manaki floral zari motifs unnai throughout the saree checks. And on borders we have got darker shade of mango yellow. So if you have a clear look, we have got three different kinds of zari work with golden on middle of the border. Coming to edges, we have got copper and silver zari work. Let's see the second sari in mannequin. So here comes lighter shade of pastel grey with pink on borders. So coming to sari border, we have got Rani pink on border with zari, silver zari shine on borders. We even have another different color on border along with pink. So e border color lo we have got green and pink ani, two different colors, brighter shades. Coming to sari body detailings, manaki pink and zari toti mango motifs unnai throughout the sari. So just have a look at the sari body detailing. That is the border on other side. So throughout the borders we have got floral zari work. So let's see the third piece in mannequin. It's with brighter shade of mango yellow with violet, brinjal violet on borders. So let's see the border. We have got a very big border on the sari. Around 16 inches border undi with beautiful peacock zari motifs. So there are 3 peacocks, 2 in bigger size and 1 in smaller size. So this saree ki we have got a border of 15-inch border in the knee. Let's see the last saree in mannequin. So here comes peacock blue with orange on borders. So this color lo manaki 2 different shades kanipistunnandi, peacock blue and leaf green. Kalnita mixed on the work throughout the saree. And when we come to motifs, we have got peacocks and parrot motifs. Parrots we have with different colors, yellow and orange threads. Peacocks are in zari with silver zari. So border anta kuda manaki peacock motifs unnai with golden zari. So let's have a look at the border. It's very big, more than 15-inch border we are having for this saree. So sarees anni kuda chala bright colors lo unnayandi. So let's see the rest of the collection. Comes another similar piece on mannequin. So this is similar to the fourth piece on mannequin with peacock blue and orange color on borders. So the color is really attractive, chala bright ga undi light. And throughout the saree we have got 2 different shades with blue and green. So it's Kalneta mix. And coming to saree body detailings, we have got parrots and peacock zari motifs, golden and silver zari motifs of peacocks. So all these parrots are placed on a tree. So a tree with it's designed like parrots throughout the saree body. And on borders we have got orange. So throughout the borders we have beautiful shade of orange with silver zari lines. Coming to border line, we have got leaf green on 2 sides of the border. Let's see the other side of the border. It's around 16-inch border. So usually we don't get this much grand border in Gadwal Pattu sarees. Kanchi Pattu sarees lo untayi inta pedda border vachi. So Gadwal Pattu lo very rare quality of sarees and ivi, and very brighter shades though with big borders unnai with pallu. Price of the saree is 27,000 rupees only. Let's see our next saree. So here comes another beautiful shade in yellow. So throughout the saree we have got peacock and floral zari motifs placed alternatively on the entire saree body. Coming to borders, we have got orange zari work, orange border in the background, and on top of that we have golden and silver zari motifs throughout the saree border. So it's really attractive in light. With pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. It's 19,500 rupees on. Another beautiful shade in Rama green with orange. So far we have seen peacock blue with orange, which is nearer to Rama green. So peacock, మనకి different colors ఉంటాయి peacocks లో. We have got blue, green, so చాలా colors ఉంటాయి కదా. We have Rama green here on the saree with beautifully designed zari motifs all over the saree. And on borders, one side we have got a small border with kadi zari work mixed with zari. So with silver zari we have got arrow lines on saree border. And on border lines we have green colored work. So chinna border line manaki green line undandi on two sides of the border. So saree between in between saree we have Rama green, and on border lines we have got leaf green. Coming to borders, bright shade of orange with peacock zari motifs. Here comes the pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. 25,200 rupees only. Here comes lemon yellow. So from the beginning of the video, I have been showing mango yellow with different colors and borders. Here comes lemon yellow with purposely blue on border. And throughout the saree, we have got Rudraksh motifs in golden zari. And on borders, we have mango motifs filled with floral zari work. So other side we have got floral zari work continued with checks zari. Just have a look in detail. Very pretty color combination. With pallu. And the price of the saree is 19,500 rupees only. Here comes another brighter shade in green. So with green with the darker shade of brinjal on borders. So on borders we have got a very darker shade more than a brinjal. So let's see the motifs on saree body. We have got with two different zari motifs, golden and silver. So one side border manaki golden with copper zari mixed border undi with arrow lines. Other side we have a big border of 13 inches filled with peacock motifs in the beginning, kadi zari work and checks zari work in the end. Let's have a look at the entire saree. So coming to saree color combination, we have sea green with darker shade of brinjal violet on borders. Here comes the pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. So it costs around 25,200 rupees only. So we have leaf green with darker shade of hot pink on borders. Throughout the saree we have beautifully designed floral motifs in two different shapes. Just have a look in detail. Kadi zari work on one side. Other side we have a big border of 16 inches. So let's see the border designing in detail. So we have got three partitions here. In the first and third, it's designed with mango motifs, and in between we have Kadi zari work separated with zari lines. So silver zari arrows ఉన్నాయి in between, and on edges we have got leaf green with border line. Here comes the pallu. Brighter shade on blacks. Let's see the price of the saree, and it costs around 27,000 rupees on that. So I've got beautiful color here, baby pink with yellow on borders. So we have seen this model previously. This is the fourth piece on mannequin with a different color combination. Throughout the saree we have got tree motifs with dual zari work, golden and silver, and there are parrots and peacocks placed on entire saree body. Just have a look at the saree. It's really pretty color, and you can wear it for night parties. Other side of the border we have peacock motifs, diamond shaped motifs, and floral zari work with a border of 16 inches. And on border line we have darker shade of leaf green on two sides of the border. Just have a look at the entire saree. So pretty the saree. Pallu. And cost of the saree is 27,000 rupees only. Most of the sarees were designed with orange on borders. Here comes another beautiful color combination with parrot green and orange on borders. Throughout the saree we have dual zari motifs, and on borders it's designed with Kadi zari golden work and silver zari arrow lines on two sides of the border. Other side we have a really big border of 15 inches. Pallu. Let's see the price of the saree, and it costs around 25,200 rupees on it. So this is another lighter shade in blue. This is the Krishna color, Krishna blue with lighter shade of orange on borders. On borderline we have got mango yellow. Throughout the saree we have peacock zari motifs with floral motifs alternatively placed. Coming to borders, we have dual zari work with golden and silver zari. Just have a look at these pretty borders. This entire saree with pallu. And price of the saree is 19,500 rupees on it. So far we have seen darker colors in brighter shades and border. Here comes lighter shades. So we have half white with yellow on border. Usually we get blue, green and red mixed with half white. But for the first time we are seeing yellow. And this is the brighter shade of mustard yellow. Coming to border lines, we have got orange on two sides of the border line, orange mixed with yellow. So coming to border, saree body detailings. So we have got two different zaris with peacock motifs. And on other side of the border, it starts with temple work. And on entire border we have silver zari work with mango motifs. So this is the entire saree. pallu on yellow. Price of the saree is very reasonable price. It's 13,500 only, 13,500. So in this session, I have showed you many beautiful colors and the saree price material Ochi Gadwal Pattu sarees. For orders, please contact these helpline numbers. In case if you have any inquiries, just take a screenshot of this saree and share on this WhatsApp number. Our team will help you with your queries. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have different countries shipping available. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Let's see our rest of the collection. Here comes another darker shade of green. So you can call it as leaf green, but it's a very darker shade of leaf green with chili red on borders. So we are seeing two shades on borders. One is chili red and Rani pink with silver zari lines on two sides of the border. Coming to saree body detailings, we have got mango motifs in two different zaris, golden and silver. So it gives really a very traditional look. With pallu. Coming to the price of the saree, it costs around 21,800 rupees only. Another beautiful shade in lemon yellow with Rani pink on borders. Throughout the saree, we have got mango motifs placed in silver zari, and on borders we have lines with silver zari. Other side of the border is mixed of silver zari lines and floral motifs. Pallu. And price of the saree is 21,800 rupees only. So here comes another beautiful shade in blue. So it's a near color combination to the saree what I'm wearing. So we have brighter shade of blue with magenta pink on borders. So on borders we have two colors with Kalnita, magenta pink and brinjal violet on borders with peacock zari motifs. So there are three different zari work on throughout the border. We have got golden zari peacock motifs. With copper zari we have got a line and polka dots with silver zari. Throughout the saree we have differently placed floral zari motifs with peacocks inside. Other side we have a big border of 15 inches. With pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 25,200 rupees only. Here comes my favorite color, dark shade of bottle green with tomato red on borders. Throughout the saree body we have golden zari checks lines with Rudraksh motif filling. And on borders we have two different colors, tomato red in the background, and on top of that we have lighter shade of leaf green mixed with golden and silver zari. Just have a look at the entire border. We even have temple thread work in the starting of the border. So the same theme is placed on the other side of the border. With pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. So price is 21,800 rupees only. Here comes another lighter and beautiful shade. So it's a saree when compared with others which I have shown so far. So we have baby pink with parrot green on borders, with peacock silver zari motifs on saree body. Apart from darker shades, we do have lighter shades for party wear. Usually Gadwal Pattu is a very traditional style saree, but we do have some different colors in this. So English colors without money with beautiful shades and borders. Here comes two differently designed work on border. Just have a look at it. So we have got parrot green here, and also with brick red we have zigzag lines, and with silver zari we have floral work throughout the borders. Other side we have a similar design with a big border of 12 inches. With pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. It costs around 19,500 rupees only. Hello everyone. So this is Valli today with this saree, and today's session is with Gadwal Pattu. Pure Gadwal Pattu sarees in this session. So I've showed you some darker colors and even lighter shades. So if at all you have some set of collection, if you need some exclusive designs or colors, please do comment here. So let's see the comments today. Hi Banu Garu. Background traffic sound ఎక్కువగా ఉంది. I hope it's better now. So we are trying to reduce everything, every single technical issue we are trying to sorting it out. Hi Vinita Garu, very pretty collection. Thank you for showcasing. So let me showcase my saree first. So this is the saree today I'm wearing. Yeah, I've shown everyone for the ones who joined the video in the very beginning. So this is with the lighter shade of blue and violet with pink on borders. Hi Amila Garu. So let me respond to everyone in the saree. So we have got a sale in Bangalore which has already ended, and we even have sale on Vizag. So you guys are aware of it. We are posting those sale posters everywhere on social media. So the sale is on, Mugdha is coming up with a great Indian handloom exhibition in Vizag. And we have got so much different set of collection there to showcase you guys. So even though you don't purchase, just visit our exhibition. It's full of beautifully designed and printed sarees. So let me show you the venue details. It's in Park Hotel, Vizag, RK Beach Road. And the sale starts from July 30th. So today is 29th, right? The sale starts from tomorrow, and it lasts for 3 days, July 30th, 31st and August 1st. So we have got that on 3 days starting from the weekend, guys. So Friday you have got a big bang. Hope you are clear with the venue details. So Mugdha is coming. Let me tell you again, because so many people joined. Mugdha is coming up with a great Indian handloom exhibition sale on Vizag, and we are doing that sale for three long days. That's on 30th of July, 31st of July, and on August 1st. So it's lasting for 3 long days, guys, on weekend. Hurry up, just watch that exhibition. So even though you don't purchase, it's really we have got so much of collection. Let's see you guys on Vizag. Coming back to our comments. So Sahiti Modu, hi Sahiti Garu, can you let me the background? Can you let me show the background orange sari? So this is not orange, but this is the brightest shade of yellow. Saiti garu, so this is brightest shade of yellow with violet on borders. So I'll definitely reveal the prices of the mannequin pieces. So let me show you one by one. So price of this sari is 25,200. Price of this yellow and violet sari is 25,200. We have got a really big border for this with beautifully designed peacocks all over the sari and border. So here comes the fourth piece on mannequin with brightest shade of blue and orange on borders. So on video lo idi tomato red laga kanipistundi, but this is the brightest shade of orange. Price of the sari is 27,000 rupees. So this is the second piece in mannequin with pastel grey and rani pink. Let me show you the price of this. So it costs around 21,800 rupees. And this is the last sari in the mannequin with bottle green and yellow. And it costs around 21,800 rupees only. So Aparna, hi Aparna. Hi Aparna garu. We have done so many floral gadwals. So for the first time, just to try out differently. Usually we don't get so much of big borders. This much big border we don't have on gadwal pattu. So to try differently, we have showcased our gadwal pattu sarees above 15-inch borders unnayandi. In this session, I've showed you many sarees with very big borders, more than 15-inch borders unnayi throughout the session. I'll show you. Floral gadwals, we have already done 2 videos. We'll do soon those videos as well. We have got fresh stock in floral gadwals as well. So let me read out the comments. If I've missed someone, just let me check once. Please show few floral gadwals. So we are doing a new video on floral gadwals. Soon we'll reveal it out. And Aparna garu, please, will definitely let you know when we are doing that floral gadwal sarees. So if you have anything to talk, please comment here, or else we'll just continue to show the rest of the collection. Okay. So let's see the rest of the sarees. Brown with yellow on borders. So we have seen so many colors in this model, in a similar model with zari checks and floral filling inside the checks. So this is another different color combination with brown and yellow on border. Usually brown is a darker shade, and on border we have got yellow, which is the brightest shade of yellow. Throughout the saree, we have got 2 differently designed zari motifs with copper zari and silver zari rudraksh motifs. And on borders, we have temple zari work. So it's mixed of temple zari and yellow color thread. So 2 different threads toti mixed work undandi on border, which is designed in the shape of temple. Other side of the border, manaki 3 different lines unnai with red, green and zari. Just have a look at the other side of the border. Here comes the entire saree with pallu. And price of the saree is 21,800 rupees only. For orders, we have our helpline numbers here. In case if you have liked any saree, just take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. For any inquiries or other doubts, please reach out this number on WhatsApp. Our team will definitely help you regarding placing orders, or if you have any doubt on the material or color. And online payment, we have Google Pay numbers available here. Take a screenshot of this and keep it handy. We do have international shipping throughout the world. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. Let's see our next saree. got two different shades on this sari. It's leaf green and teal green. So lux green and leaf green, two different shades on this sari with Kalnita work. Throughout the sari we have silver zari mango motifs. So entire sari is designed with silver zari on sari body and border. Let's see the border. We have darker shade of navy blue on border, designed with silver zari, zigzag lines and diamond shaped motifs. So here is the entire sari with pallu. And price of the sari is 19,500 rupees only. Here comes another differently designed color combination with magenta pink on borders and parrot green on border. On sari body we have got brighter shade of magenta pink with silver zari mango motifs, and on border we have parrot green with differently designed zari work. Other side we have a big border with silver zari peacock motifs. Here comes the pallu. And price of the sari is 21,800 rupees only. We have black here with sky blue on borders, brighter shade of sky blue. Throughout the sari we have blue colored checks lines, and we have filling with blue color thread and silver zari thread. So we have Rudraksh motif filling with two different colors. One is with blue and other one with silver zari. On borders we have silver zari motifs and zigzag lines on two sides. With pallu. Let's see the price of the sari. It costs 21,800 rupees only. Here comes another beautiful shade with orange and black on borders. So entire sari we have zari checks lines designed with silver and black. And inside checks we have silver zari motifs, mango motifs, designed in the shape of flower. On borders it's purely with floral zari work on two sides. On two sides of the border we even have temple thread work only. So it's very differently designed sari. Usually we don't get this sort of collection in Gadwal Pattu. With pallu. And let's see the price of the sari. It costs around 18,800 rupees only. Here comes peach with black on borders. With two different colors on the sari body. So sari body మీద మనకి two different shades ఉన్నాయి with zari, golden and silver. And on borders we have mango motifs and polka dots with zari, golden zari. Other side dual zari work ఉందండి with leaf shaped motifs in silver. And in background we have got golden zari work. With pallu and blouse. So here comes the blouse. Price of the sari is 24,000 rupees only. We have brighter shade of leaf green here. So borders are differently designed. So far we have seen fully loaded zari work on borders, but here the work is a bit different. And on border line we have got orange on two sides of the border, Coming to sari body detailing, we have dual zari checks lines throughout the sari with Rudraksh fillings. Pallu with black. And price of the sari is 13,200 rupees only. So very reasonable range lo unnai sarees. So I've shown you only two sarees with 12k in the beginning and 13k now. So guys, hurry up. The colors are really beautiful and pretty in light. Here comes another beautiful shade in yellow with darker shade of navy blue on borders. Throughout the saree we have peacock silver zari motifs. And on borders we have two different zari work. Silver zari floral motifs on the edge and copper zari work in between. Other side we have a similar work but a bit big border on other side. So we have got around 12-inch border with beautifully designed. Here comes the pallu. And price of the saree is 19,500 rupees only. Let's see our next saree. Here comes another chocolate brown with sea green on borders. So throughout the saree we have silver zari checks lines. And we have got plain borders with simple zari work. On border we even have parrot green embossed with silver zari work on two sides of the border. Here comes the pallu. Price of the saree is 14,000 rupees only. So this is the last saree we have in this session with darker shade of bottle green on saree body and hot pink on borders. So we have different borders on bottle green in this session. Throughout the saree body we have got beautifully designed Rudraksh motifs with golden and silver. And on one side we have zigzag lines with golden zari work. Other side of the border we have circular rings with peacock motifs inside. So we have got different colored peacocks throughout the border with green color, violet, blue and silver zari. This is the entire saree. And on border line we have got two different shades with pink and green on two sides of the border with pallu. Let's see the price of the saree. So it costs around 20,300 rupees only. So guys, here are our helpline numbers. If you like any saree, just take a screenshot of it and share on this WhatsApp number. For any queries, please reach out this number on WhatsApp. Our team will love to help you guys in placing orders or clearing your questions. And for online payment, we have Google Pay contacts available here. Take a screenshot of it and keep it handy. So we do have international shipping throughout the world. So guys, hurry up and place your orders. This is Valli signing off for today. See you all in tomorrow's live at 6 p.m. Bye bye.